Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my garden. Yaje here, super excited to share another gardening video with you. Today we are going to be talking about the containers that I use in my garden. You know, container gardening is absolutely one way that you can use to grow your vegetables, to grow whatever that you want if you are limited on space, or you know, you don't just want to be digging up your garden. And buying containers can really quickly be expensive. So today I'm going to just show you around my garden, share the different types of containers that I use that are affordable, and I'm even going to share with you how I get some containers for free. So if you are into container gardening, or you just want to save some money in the garden, watch this video and find out what containers that I use and how I get some for free. So I'm going to start right here. What I have right here are known as fabric bags. These are like 5-gallon grow bags, and as you can see, I am growing my okra vegetables in them, dwarf okras anyway. I am also growing my fluted pumpkins in the 5-gallon grow bags. I'm growing bitter leaves in the 5-gallon grow bags. Again, these are great for gardening, lightweight. They have handles. At the end of the gardening season, you can easily just throw away the soil, fold the containers, and set them aside for the next gardening season. So they are easy to store. These particular ones, I got a dozen of them from Amazon for about $25. So maybe about $2 a piece. I say that they are super affordable. They are affordable that way, you know. So yeah, absolutely, you can do vegetable gardening in grow bags. I'm going to put a link in the description box if you would like to check out and purchase these ones. The other kind of planting container that I have in my garden are these plastic containers. I get them from a local landscape garden supply store. So this is the mom and pop type of shop, not your big box stores. They usually sell like trees that people buy for landscaping, flowers, things like that. And usually they have these containers that they don't have any use for. So you can go and ask to buy those, and they will be glad to sell them to you. I have 3-gallon sizes here, and I also have the 5-gallon size. These are bought for 50 cents each. 50 cents, so that is half of $1, and the 5-gallon size I bought for 75 cents each. So yeah, that saves me a lot of money compared to that grow bag that I told you was about $2 a piece. And my favorite of them all are the ones that I get for free, the cat litter buckets. Good morning everyone, I'm out on my walk. Today is trash day in my neighborhood. One of the things that I like to do is go out for walks or runs on my trash day, and one of the reasons is because I like to scout people's trash for supplies, garden supplies that I can reuse. For example, this bucket right here, I just got it off somebody's trash. They were throwing it away. That would have impacted the environment, but I can find uses for it in the garden. I use this as a planting container, and I paid exactly $0 for it. So yes guys, when I bring home my cat litter buckets, I use it for different things, you know, in the garden. Right now I have a compost tea brewing in that one, so I can brew stuff like compost tea. I can use this for even doing like what you call composting. I can use it for composting, and I can use it to plant. I can use it as a container for planting. So when I need to use it as a container, I just put holes in the bottom and I'm good to go. You can put holes here in the bottom, or you can put holes on the sides. See how I also use the cat litter bucket to build my shelf for my containers. So this is how I save money in the garden, guys. A lot of them I didn't have to pay a dime. That that one, a lot of them in the garden. So this has been from weeks of getting them from my neighbor's yard. I know the people that have cats now in my neighborhood. So when I walk by on trash days, I just walk by their front doors, their yards, and pick up the buckets. I hope this video was valuable to you. I hope you got some information that is going to help you save money with container gardening. Guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet done so, share my video so that we can grow, and drop me a comment. Until next time, grow a garden so you can grow health.